you guys tell me that?
Hey, I lost the remote again. I can't find that thing anywhere.
Come on.
I'm going out to Xfinity and get a new one.
Maybe is it the Xfinity remote? Because Terry just told me that Tammy's remote's missing, her Roku remote. And oh my God, what did you two do?
That was a complete accident too. What are the odds?
Get up, Mom.
Get up, Mom.
Your seat's eating it.
Beep. Beep. I got your tail.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit.
Yeah, but we found the tail before when I looked there.
Screw that.
Faith got a new Fitbit.
Overstimulating the cat.
Swear to God, when it was.
I think it's funny, Polly. There's your remote, Mom. You don't
Yeah,
need to
well,
go to
maybe.
Xfinity.